Okay, good afternoon, guys. We're back again at the Full Force Fitness Center. It's not too busy this Sunday, first time. So this afternoon, we're gonna do a probably back single routine. This looks like something wrong with my wrist right here. Probably I pulled a muscle or a nerve yesterday, so we can still do it. And good morning, Philippines. Good afternoon, Canada. Okay, let's start cracking. Okay, one set is done. Relax for a bit. So I didn't notice that yesterday probably I pulled a nerve or muscle or sprain. So it's not too bad at all. I can still move my hands and wrists. No pain, no gain, right guys? Okay, probably we're gonna put another plate on that thing. Okay, so pardon my delays again, guys. That's isolateral pull down, guys, for back. So yeah, it's not too bad. Gym too quiet for the past, I guess, 3 weeks or a month. Every Sunday, the gym was so crazy, guys. But now it's good for me because I can jump in right away. Pretty quiet Sunday afternoon. Okay, we'll see if one more or two more sets. I'll put another plate. We'll see if I can hack to it. That one right there, guys. So I'm not sure if close to 200 kilos or probably around 160 to 170 kilos, guys. That's so heavy right there. Probably one more set and then we're good to go. Yeah, the right wrist, right arm for me That's bother me a bit, but still good. I can still move a bit. Okay, let's do one more and we're good to go. Yeah, that's that's it for the afternoon, guys. That's back routine, and probably next time we do chest routine. So make sure you have to do the opposite, guys. And thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Peace out.